How to buy coin in Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can buy coin in Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now so if you'd like to buy a coin inside the Trust Wallet app, depending upon which cryptocurrency, first of all make sure to launch Trust Wallet and go ahead and then basically first sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, you will see this type of interface where you can just tap the buy option there. So you can basically tap the buy button over there, and then you'll be able to see a list of cryptocurrencies that could be available over here. So you can select a cryptocurrency that you'd like. In this case, just make sure to enter the dollars worth of crypto that you would like to buy, then just tap the buy option, enter your payment details, and you'd have successfully bought the coin in Trust Wallet. This way you will be able to buy coin in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.